Welcome to the next session of measures of central tendency. We are in the process of doing the problems of arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Let us see the next question, sir. If there are two groups containing 30 and 20 observations, 30 and 20 observations, 20 observations, and having 50 and 60 as arithmetic means. Then the mean of the combined series is question mark. This is my question. Now look at the solution, sir. What is given? N1 is equal to size of first group 30, N2 is equal to size of second group 20, x1 bar is equal to arithmetic mean of first group 50, x2 bar is arithmetic mean of second group 60, So x bar 1 comma 2 is equal to n1 into x1 bar plus n2 into x2 bar by n1 plus n2. This is 30 into 50 plus 20 into 60 divided by 30 plus 20. 1500 plus 1200 divided by 50. 2700 divided by 50. $2,700 divided by 50. This is 54. This is equal to 54. Mean of the combined series is 50. Next question. What is the harmonic mean of 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 1 by 4 etc. 1 by n? Okay. Now step number 1. Take the reciprocals of given observations. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 etc. n, arithmetic mean of first n natural numbers is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Harmonic mean is equal to 1 by arithmetic mean 1 by n plus 1 by 2. This is 2 by n plus 1. So harmonic mean of the given sequence is 2 by n plus 1. Question number 3. If there are two groups with 75 and 65 as harmonic mean and containing 15 and 13 15 and 13 observations, then the combined harmonic mean is solution. N1 is equal to 15, N2 is equal to 13, H1 is equal to 75, H2 is equal to 65. Harmonic mean of the combined series is question. Harmonic mean is equal to N1 plus N2 divided by N1 by H1 plus N2 by H2. 18, N1 plus N2 is 28 divided by 15 divided by 75, 13 divided by 60. Now look at this up. 15 divided by 75 is equal to memory plus. 15 divided by 75 is equal to memory plus. Next, 13 divided by 65 is equal to memory plus. Both the values are simplified and stored in the memory. Numerator is 28. 28 divided by MRC is equal to 28 divided by MRC is equal to 70 is the answer. 70 is the answer. Next question. Arithmetic mean of x is equal to 50. Then arithmetic mean of x minus 50 divided by 5 is equal to question mark. Arithmetic mean of x is equal to 50. Then arithmetic mean of x minus 50 by 5 is question mark. See the solution. Let us take y is equal to x minus 50 by 5. This can be written as 1 by 5 into x minus 50 by 5. 50 by 5. This is of the type y is equal to ax plus b. Y is equal to ax plus b. So change of origin and scale property. Arithmetic mean of y is equal to a into arithmetic mean of x plus b. So arithmetic mean of y is equal to 1 by 5 into 50 minus 50 by 5. Cancel, leaving with 0. So arithmetic mean of y is equal to 0. Next, mean of the variable x is 50. What is the mean of What is the mean of 5x plus 10? What is the mean of 5x plus 10? Now look at this, sir. This is y is equal to y is equal to 5x plus 10. This is of the type y is equal to ax plus b. Change of origin and scale property. Y bar is equal to 5 into x bar plus 10. 5 into 50e plus 10. 250e plus 10. 260. Next question. An aeroplane flies from A to B. An aeroplane flies from A to B at the rate of 500 kilometers per hour and comes back from B to A at the rate of 700 kilometers per hour. Average speed of the aeroplane is average speed of the aeroplane is. Look at the solution, sir. This is station A, station B. Distance is same. Distance is same. Now, with what speed it is flying? 500 kilometers per hour. Return journey is 700 kilometers per hour. When equal distance is covered with unequal speeds, when equal distance is covered with unequal speed, to find the average speed, calculate harmonic mean of different speeds. So, average speed is equal to two trips, A to B one observation, B to A another observation. So there are two observations 2 divided by 1 by 500 plus 1 by 700. Look at this, 1 divided by 500 is equal to memory plus. 1 divided by 700 is equal to memory plus. Denominator is simplified and stored in the memory. Go to the numerator, 2 divided by MRC is equal to 583.33. This is 583.33 kilometers per hour. This is the average speed. Next question. Median of x comma x by 2, x by 3, x by 5 is 10. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now how many observations are given, sir? 4 observations are given. 4 is an even number. 4 is an even number. So for even number of observations, median is equal to arithmetic mean of middle 2 observations. So median is equal to arithmetic mean of x by 2 comma x by 3. So 10 is equal to x by 2 plus x by 3 divided by 2. 20 is equal to 3x plus 2x by 6. 120 is equal to 5x. X is equal to 120 by 5. 24. X is equal to 24. Next question. If 25% of items of a data 25% of items of a data are less than 35 and 25% of items are more than 75, then 35 is equal to 75 is equal to 35 is equal to 75 is equal to. You have to identify the values, means 35 will represent who and 75 will represent who. What is given in the question? 25% of the items of a data are less than 35. We have 25% of the observations less than or equal to Q1. Q1 is less than or equal to 75%. 25% of the observations are less than or equal to Q1 and Q1 is less than or equal to 75%. It is given 25% of the items are less than 35 Therefore 35 is equal to Q1. 35 is equal to Q1 by the definition. Next, 25% of the items are more than 75. 75% of the observations are less than or equal to Q3. Q3 is less than or equal to 25%. 75% of the observations are less than or equal to Q3, and Q3 is less than or equal to 25%. So as per this, 25% of the items are more than 75. Therefore, 75 is equal to Q3. Next question. Median of a series is median of a series is 80, but 4 items 38, 66, 93 and 96 are wrongly taken as wrongly taken as 83, 89, 39 and 69. What is the correct value of median? Correct value of median. Okay, sir. Let us see the solution. Very simple question. This is median. Okay. These are the correct values which are wrongly taken as. So let me write correct values 38, 66. 2 observations are coming on the left hand side of median. 93 and 96 are coming on the right hand side. Why? Median is dividing the given set of observations into 2 equal parts. Half of the values are less than median. So anything less than median, I have to represent it on the left hand side of median. Any value which is greater than median, I have to represent on the right hand side. So 93, 96. Now these are the correct values. Let us see wrong values. Instead of 38, it is taken as 39. Instead of 66, it is taken as 69. 80 I am keeping as it is. Instead of 93, it is taken as 83. Instead of 96, it is taken as 89. Now sir, there is no change on the value of median. How can I say? Median is a positional average. Its calculations are not dependent on each and every observation. What will I see? After arranging the given set of observations, the values which are on the left hand side are less than median or not, that I will see. At the same time, the values on the right hand side are greater than or median. What is that number? I am not interested. I am interested only whether that number is greater than or not. 83 is greater than 80. Even here 93 is greater than 80. It means whether it is 83 or 93, it comes on the right hand side of median. So median is 80. It is not at all affected by this. That is wrong observations. Look at the next question. Average rainfall of a city. Average rainfall of a city from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. Is 0.3 inch. Due to heavy rainfall, on Sunday, the average rainfall for the week increases to 0.5 inch. The rainfall on Sunday was this is my question. Okay, average rainfall of a city from Monday to Saturday is 0.3. Look at the solution. N1 is equal to 6 days, Monday to Saturday. N1 is equal to 6, means there are 6 observations. X1 bar is equal to 0.3. So this is 6 into 0.3, 1.8 inches. So for the first 6 days, total rainfall is calculated. Now let us include Sunday also. N2 is equal to 7. X2 bar is equal to 0.5. Summation of X2 is 3.5 inch. So Sunday's rainfall is equal to summation of X2 minus summation of X1. 3.5 minus 1.8. This is 1.7 inch. This is the amount of rainfall on Sunday. Next question. The average age of the average age of 15 students of a class is 15 years. Out of them, the average age of the average age of 5 students is 14 years, and that of other 9 students is 16 years. What is the age of what is the age of 15th student? What is the age of 15th student? Look at the question. Average age of 15 students of a class is 15 years. So total age of 15 students. Total age of 15 students is 15 into 15 to 25. 15 into 15 to 25. Average age of 5 students. Total age of 5 students is equal to 5 into 14, 70. And other 9 students is 16. Total age of 9 students is equal to 9 into 16, 144. Let us take this is summation of x, summation of x1, summation of x2. Now 5 plus 9, 14 students only, but I have 15 students. Therefore, age of 15th student is equal to summation of x minus summation of x1 plus summation of x2. 225 minus 70 plus 144. $11 years. 11 years. Next question. The average age of a group of 10 students was 20 years. The average is increased by average is increased by 2 years when 2 new students joined the group. Two new students joined the group. What is the average age of two new students Now see the solutions. N1 is equal to 10, x1 bar is equal to 20. So summation of x is equal to 200, 10 into 20. When 2 new students joined, N2 is equal to 12, x2 bar is 22. Summation of x2, 12 into 22. This is 12 into 22, 264. Now from this 12 students total, if I subtract the 10 students total, I get the total of 2 new students who are joined in the group. Total of 2 new students who joined in the group. (264 minus 264). Average is 64 divided by 2, 32 years. Okay. That's all in this video. Remaining in the next session. Thank you.